Pitfalls of Gauss elimination method. This question is very important and it comes in. I saw this question many times in previous year question papers. So I thought I will discuss the answer of this question. So Gauss elimination method, also known as row reduction, is an algorithm in linear algebra for solving a system of linear equations. It is usually understood as a sequence of operations performed on the corresponding matrix of coefficient. Pitfalls of Gauss elimination method. Here is a division by zero and round off error. The pitfalls of Gauss elimination method. It is possible that division by zero may occur during forward elimination steps. So during first forward elimination step, the coefficient is 0, and hence normalization would require division by 0. And normalization would require division by 0. So we can avoid this pitfall by using pivoting, by applying pivoting. Okay. And second is round off errors. Gauss elimination method is prone to round off errors. This is true when there are large number of equations or errors as error propagate. Also, if there is subtraction of almost equal number, it may create large errors. So we can explain it with examples in exam. So such error, the round of error, if we are using the 2 place after decimal only using 2 digits, so there is a chances of round off error. So for avoiding, we can take more than 2 digits, extra digit, or we apply partial pivoting to Gauss elimination. Gauss elimination method with partial pivoting can use it. So let's see one more thing here. Pitfalls of division by 0 and avoid by pivoting, a round of error. Important with is this, and substitute answer into original equation to check. Small change in coefficient, large change in solution, determinant close to 0. Pivoting. In pivoting, what we do? Rearrange equations, switch equations, or to avoid 0 in pivot element. Partial pivoting, find largest coefficient available in column below and pivot element. Switch rows so that the largest element become pivot element, and complete pivoting, column and arrows search for largest. Scaling. Multiplying by a constant in cases of coefficient with widely different magnitude can be used to determine if pivoting is necessary. And Gauss-Jordan method we can also use to avoid this. And here is elementary operation matrix. Okay. The question is here, Gauss elimination pitfalls. So we only discuss about the pitfalls, and if you know about how to avoid this, you can mention that also. But mainly you have to discuss about the pitfalls. Okay. So thanks for watching.